Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to partly disassemble your phone. I will take it a little bit apart, and the reason why I do that because one user actually said that he had a problem inside the projector, and it was either moisture or dust. So it came into my mind to make a video how to disassemble or take apart the phone, so you can clean what's inside, means behind the screen here. Like that, I will also show you how to exchange the loudspeaker, which is in this part here. In case you played music too loud, you screwed it over, you screwed it up with an app, you just put the volume too high. So I will show you that. So let's get started. First of all, you obviously need to switch off the phone. So you switch it off here, power off. Then make sure the light down here is switched off as well. Okay, now it's totally off. So you just take off the back part. You start here. It's always actually useful if you have some nails, because if you don't have some nails, well, it's a bit hard, the whole procedure. So you just take it off here. You go around with your nail. Then you take off the battery. And what you need to take apart your phone, you need a screwdriver like that, a cross screwdriver, a small one, and you might need, if you don't have long enough fingernails, you might need a screwdriver like that, a flat one. And if you want to be on a very safe side, you can use a plastic knife instead of the screwdriver, not to destroy or not to scratch the sides here, because we are going to take it apart here. Okay, so first thing we do, we unscrew the 6 screws which are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me do that now. Let's put it over here. So that's that. Now the tricky part is to get this part off from this part. So as I said, it's the best if you have fingernails, or you can use a plastic thing like that, or you do it with the flat screwdriver. In my case, I will try it with my fingernails. The first attempt I had, it took me actually ages to take it off, but after a while I will the more you do it, basically the easier it is. So what you need to do is you can start from the top here, and there are clips on each side. You see, that's one clip. So you hear a click when it goes out of the clip. Then you just work yourself along here. Well, you can also start at the other side as well. There was another one. Well, as I said, it's not that easy. That was another one. You will struggle the first time you do that, believe me. I struggled for quite a while. Obviously you do it gentle, you don't do it too hard. Otherwise, well, you might break something. There was another one. There was another one. Another one. Another one. And I nearly made it. The last part is always tricky down here. So then it will look like this. That's the back part. And well, here you have it disassembled. This one here is the antenna part, the Wi-Fi, and the GPS, and here is the loudspeaker. So if you screw up your loudspeaker, you only need to exchange this part here. So you just screw it. And you take slowly this part out. It's not hard to take it out, but you just be careful. And that's it. That's this part here. So, and because I took it a little bit apart now, you can see that this here is just a glass. So this one here is not connected to the projector itself, which is here. Which is actually a good thing, because if you scratch it here, you can just replace it, or if there is some moisture, which one user had, you just clean it here with a clean cloth that you use for cleaning glasses, for example, sunglasses or normal glasses. Okay, so after you clean that, or after you exchange the part, or whatever you want to do, you put it back together. So let's put it quickly back together. Here, when you put it together, you have to be a little bit careful because in the beginning it will not it will not go in very easily. So you have to push it a little bit in, like this. You will hear a little clack, and like that you can be sure that it's was put in properly. And let's put this in here again. Number 1 and number 2. Those you don't need to remove. You can actually, those here, you can leave them like that. Yeah, like this. And you put it back together. I suggest you, when you start to put it back together, you start with the front, because of this part here. Because when you start here, it's hard to push it back in. You have to do it with some slight force, not much. so the clips here start to go in. So the last one here, and that's it. So now it's closed on all sides again, and you can put the battery back and put the screws back. This one. Oh, that actually was the middle one. The two middle ones here are marked blue, but basically there's not really a big difference between the others. Don't put it too tight, because in case you need to exchange it again, you might overscrew them, and then they're a little bit hard to take out the screws. So go back in there. So just screw them down, screw them a little bit. With some little pressure or force. So that's it. Put the cover back on. Just press it here, 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 and you turn the phone on. And there you go. That's all it takes. A couple of minutes and you might solve all your projector problems or dust problems, moisture problems or whatever. My screen got broken here. That's why I have the sticker. I might do another video of how to replace the whole screen. But for now I just showed you a part disassembly. But yeah, I might at one point, I was thinking of replacing the front part because it got cracked, and if I do that I will make another video. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.